Hi guys, welcome to techsunjay YouTube channels. Today you will know how to turn off one setting of a Chrome browser that is discover mode. Okay, then let's begin. First of all, open our Chrome browser. Okay, you will see that is the new interface of Chrome browser after doing that setting. Okay, you will see that here discover mode. Okay, see, and you will from the right side you will see that the setting log option. You will see that you will click on this. You have display four option. That is first option you manage activity, second option is interest, manage interest, third one is learn more, and fourth one is turn off. Okay, I will explain above all three options in next video due to our video becomes the longer. So in this video I can off this discover mode. Okay, you will do not recommended by the Chrome browser that a new news and shorts. Okay, you will click on that off. You will see the new do not show your discover. Okay, if you want to on that setting again, you will same process follow. Click on setting button and you will click on turn on discover. You will see that discover is open. Okay, thank you.